Okay, let us do the last three example. Okay, factorization using window frame method. Let us write everything that we need to do now. You should be very familiar by now. Fill in the first term on the left side on the top left hand corner. Fill in the last number on the bottom right hand corner. Now we are supposed to find factors of x squared. You should know by now, x multiplied by x will give us an x squared. And if your combination is correct, yes, 13 multiplied by 3 will give us a 39. Yes, 13 multiplied by 3 will give us a positive 39. However, all right, if you write positive and positive here, let me write it down. The diagonals, notice, the diagonals will give us a positive 16x. Hey, but the one in the middle term is a negative 16x. So in this case, what must we do? If you recall, the only thing that need to change is the sign. Since it's a positive, I just need to change it to negative because the number is correct. Means the number selection is correct. But the sign you have chosen in the first place for positive is wrong. Alright, let's change everything to a negative and see if it works. So the box inside will be a negative 13x minus 3x, and this will result in a negative 16x. So this means the top bracket and the left hand bracket, you will need to write out the answer in order to show me that this expression has been factorized. There you go. Second last one. Window frame. Fill in the blank. X multiplied by x will give us an x squared. I want a negative 18. Alright? So because it's a negative number, you have to be very careful. Over the next two examples, I'm going to tell you, please be very careful. Yes, if you tell me your combination is 9 times 3, is 6 times 3, you are correct. Because the difference between 6 and 3 will give us the middle term a difference of 3. Alright? So, one of the number must be negative because you can see that this is a negative 18. But which number should be negative? Look at the term in the middle. Since it's a positive number, the negative number must go to the smaller one. In this case, the 3. So, the bigger number should be positive. Since you have a positive bigger number, the end result will be a positive value. Okay, let's fill in the blank now. Positive 6x, negative 3x. Sum up the diagonal. And this will give me a positive 3x, which is exactly what you want in the middle term. Alright, then let us write out our answer again. Please be very cautious. You must always write out your factorized term in bracket. There you go. Last but not least, again, we have a negative 24. So the numbers must sum up to give you a negative 24. Alright? Choose the correct combination. Let's say it's a 12 and a 2. Yes, 12 and 2 give you 24. You multiply them. But 12 minus 2 will not give you a 2 as you've seen over here. Choose another combination. Oh, teacher, how about 6 and 4? Yes, good choice. 6 and 4. But where does the negative value go to? Okay, now you have to make an informed decision. Look at the middle term again. It's a negative value. Since it's a negative value, should the minus go to the bigger number or the smaller number? If your answer is the bigger number, you are correct. The positive must go to the smaller number. Put them in bracket. Okay, let's do a check. Negative 6x, positive 4x. Sum up the diagonal. Negative 6 plus 4 will give us a negative 2. then you will be able to write out your final answer since the middle term is correct. In this case, the top bracket will be x minus 6, followed by the bracket by the side of x minus 4. Right? I'm done with my example. So it's your job to go and try all the part A and B of the 6th question, and I will tell you how to do the submission.